Hello, I'm Christina from TDZ Limited, and now I will show you how to install for heat turnstile. All the turnstile electronic parts will put in the top of the turnstile. Okay, the line you should connect, the first one is the wire line, the power supply line. The two lines will connect to the L switch, and the final line will be connected to any place of the turnstile. The function is lighting protection, so it is very important, this line. Okay. And if you provide the access control device, then you should connect the wires to the 3 ports. The first one, the second one, and the 17th, and then it's okay. Also, we have the fans. If the weather or the turnstile is too hot, you can open the fans. If the temperature is very cold, also you can close by the button. And finally, you should connect to this one is for the LED indicator, and the ways to connect is plug in. Okay, that's all. Thank you.